This video will introduce and demonstrate the basic setup and operation of the Aputure Lightstorm 300D lighting kit. The kit includes Aputure 300D light, reflector, controller box A, controller box B, a remote, one 5-pin XLR cable, two 4-pin XLR cables, and a kettle lead. For this video we'll also be using a light stand, two V-lock batteries, a Fresnel mount, and a sandbag. To start, unfold the light stand by loosening the thumb screw, then opening the three legs to produce the widest and most stable base, then retighten the thumb screw. At least one sandbag should be placed over the supports of the light stand to stabilise the base. Avoid resting the sandbag on the floor as this will reduce the stability of the light stand. To place the light on the light stand, loosen the thumb screw on the yoke, then attach the light by placing it onto the light stand spigot and retightening the thumb screw. With a firm grip on the light stand to support it, the light stand's height can be adjusted by loosening a thumb screw, making the adjustment, and then retightening the thumb screw. If you're intending to power the Aputure 300D using V-lock batteries, then these must be attached to control box A. Attach one battery onto each bay on the rear of the light panel and slide them into position. To remove a battery, push the ejection button while sliding the battery off the control box. Control box A can then be attached to the Aputure 300D via the 5-pin XLR cable provided. To use mains power instead, keep control box A attached to the Aputure 300D light. Then, link control box A to control box B via a 4-pin XLR cable. Finally, use the kettle lead provided to link control box B to a mains supply. Be careful to ensure that trailing cables are kept to a minimum and are well signposted. To remove the cover, pull the ejector switch on the top of the light backwards. Then rotate the cover clockwise to the unlocked position and pull it away from the light. If using mains power, set the power switch on control box B to the on position. Alternatively, if you are using battery power only, press the power button on the operation panel of control box A. The operational panel for control box A contains buttons for control of channel and group functions, alongside fan controls. A dial is also present for brightness adjustments. The display shows numerical values for brightness settings. The remote provided offers similar functionality to the operational panel and can control several Aputure 300D lights at the same time, provided they are in the same group or channel. Both a reflector and a Fresnel mount can be used as options for further control of the light. To install the reflector, pull the ejector switch back, rotate anti-clockwise until the reflector locks into position. The Fresnel mount can be installed in the same way. Once installed, the Fresnel mount can be extended to create a more focused beam of light. Before packing the Aputure 300D down, you must allow the unit to cool completely before reattaching the protective cover. This concludes the content of this training video. For further help, you can book a one-to-one session by sending an email to mmctraining@winchester.ac.uk.